Hi, so today I would be reviewing whiteboard, which is called adhesive whiteboard or sticker whiteboard. So I bought this from Flipkart and it arrived at my home. So we are going to unbox and I'll review it for you as well. So first of all, I brought this from Flipkart and I would link it below if anybody wanna buy it. You can buy it from anywhere. It's called adhesive or sticker whiteboard. Um, I bought Pecora 200 centimeter wall sticker paper vinyl removal self adhesive chalkboard sheet white chalkboard. This is what it is called on Flipkart, and it is of 250 rupees, which is not very much. So, shall we open it? The box is pretty nice and it has like this detailing of whiteboard, which I really like. And it says whiteboard stick, use on any surface, multiple use as projector screen, cut custom sizes, use a wet cloth to clean. Okay, this is to remember. Include one pens, last up to 2 years. Okay, it lasts up to 2 years. 45 into 200 centimeter. Material is PVC. Okay, let's see.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, this looks like how do I say, the notebook register cover that we used to do in school. It has marker as well, but it is this small. You know, in picture I thought it was going to be something like this, which is my marker, my personal marker, but it's like this, and it has small duster in it. It's okay, what can you expect? It is non-returnable. Okay, obviously you're going, and it looks like this. I think I should try sticking it on my wall and use it, and then I'll tell you more about it. Okay, before sticking it, I also wanted to show you this. It's like this from that side, and this is whiteboard, and this is sticker side. So this would come off like this, you know. Yeah, I want to cut this in half because I do not want too much bigger whiteboard, so I would give it like half to my brother. I want small board so that I could write motivational quotes on it, or maybe to-do list. So it has I do not know if you can see it. It has markings as well. I'll show you this way. It has these markings, so you can cut it in any proportion that you want, which is really convenient, and it is all over the whiteboard on the back side of it. As I further opened this, I just saw that this has lines as well in it. Like these are markings, but there are lines as well in it, so you can cut it really conveniently.
You were my only friend. I hate to say I need ya. Look for you and everyone, and all it does is feed the urge to call you out, so I made myself delete ya. Jenny said it's the right thing to do.
So before buying the whiteboard, I did so much research, and most of the reviewers said that the whiteboard glue was not good. So I was really worried, and I chose the one that Flipkart recommended. But to be honest, I pasted on my brother's wall and my wall using the book, of course. It pasted really well, and for my wall it has these grooves like this, so I pasted it vertically but still it got bubble over here, which is for obvious reasons. Otherwise it is really good. And other complaint that I heard was that it leaves a shadow after erasing, and this is my brother's handwriting, by the way. So I tried and it is not leaving any shadow. I'm using tissue paper right now because I haven't bought any duster, so it works fine. Maybe it leaves some shadow but I think if it's the case for every whiteboard. So yeah, for I think, as the reviewer said, it's not that bad, it's really good, you know. I really love it. Okay, so I went and specially bought duster and marker for the whiteboard, which are like specially made for whiteboard. First of all, how's my wall? Pretty, na? So this duster, it's very thin. I bought it from my local shop and it's for 50 rupees. And I bought marker, which is specially for whiteboard, this, and it's for 20 rupees. So I bought specially these because normal sketch pen or markers are different from the whiteboard markers, so this shouldn't leave the why am I saying white cast, this oh my god, I think I have watched too much of those sunscreen review videos on not white cast. This shouldn't leave the shadow, so let's test it. Okay, so I'm gonna be testing it. Okay, again, this time I'm gonna try and write, because I'm holding camera with one hand. I'm just gonna try and write. Okay, so I have zoomed in as well and I'm thinking, what should I write? Mind the reflection of my light. Let's just write something. What should I write? Okay, I'm writing serendipity. Mind my handwriting. Okay, so this was from this marker which I bought from local shop, and let's see if it's leaving any shadow or whatever it is called, residue, right? I was trying to close the marker with one hand, but anyways, this is the duster. So yeah, it's like this right now. So it's leaving a bit of residue, but I think it's fine. I think you can see it. So yeah, this was my honest review. Home fit check for the people who cares. My red shorts and my black tee. Basically nobody cares, so this is for nobody. This is my left hand.